Hello friends, this is Nir and welcome to my YouTube channel Crazy Gardening. Today I will show you my garden at balconies in my flat, and there are few plants in my balcony garden. I have few collection. Those may not be very exotic ones, but I love those plants. And friends, please watch the video till end, and if you like this video please comment on it, give a like, share and subscribe my channel for the next video. So please watch till end. Let us begin. So I start with this plant. There are two plants actually in the same pot, terracotta pot. One is Chinese banyan plant and another one is Indian banyan. I am trying to make bonsai of these. Okay, next this one, you know this plant. I have grown Mexican mint. This is edible one and helps in digestive problems, and this is grown in plastic pot. This one is very common to every Indians. This is called Madagascar periwinkle or Noyantara in local language. Okay, these are the cuttings. I have put them trying in this monsoon season because monsoon is going on there. This one is aloe vera, very common to all. Yes. Okay, this one is asparagus fern. You can see this is grown so beautifully, and this one especially will be the leaf. Yes, this is nearly 2.5 feet tall. Okay, later this one is purple heart. I have hung them on the wall, and these are the orchids, very common. You can find this one in every Indian gardeners. And yes, there are few plants in the sink, broken sink. So many plants all together because there are soil enough. These are the ferns you can see. Yes, this one is also a fern grown in a plastic bag. And later coming to this is ghost pepper, and these will be the compost, home kitchen waste. And this is coco peat. I let it dry there, but this is monsoon, it's taking very too much time. This is kamini or Muraya paniculata. Fragrant flower will come, and right now there are no flowers, but it flowers too much. Very common in Indian nature. This is Hawaiian umbrella plant. This is the oldest one in my balcony garden, nearly 7 years old, and I tried to make up a bonsai. This is sapodilla plant. You know the sapodilla fruit. This is called chiku plant, variegated variety, little less common, and it has grown so beautifully in a bucket, broken bucket. Yes, this one is called Jarul or Pride of India. Yes, this is also a flowering plant, very common. This is actually a tree, but I am trying to make it a bonsai. Don't know whether it will be a successful one or not. Yes, this is eggshell. I have tried a seed to germinate from there. This is tamarind plant. This is also I tried to make it a bonsai. You can see this is 2.5 year old, and it is doing fine. I don't know whether it will be a successful one or not. I am not a very old gardener. It is nearly 5 or 6 years old garden in my balcony. Yes, here this is a curry leaves plant grown in a plastic pot. Yes, you can see this. We use it almost every day in our kitchen, in cuisines. This is a guava plant. Once it was fruited last year, but this year it doesn't fruit. Yes, you can see it. I have pruned it few days ago before using the manure or food. This is a broken bucket and star fruit plant. You can see there are so many flowers will be blooming very soon. I have had so many fruits from this. And in the same pot I have grown a ghost pepper. Yes, this is star fruit plant. And these balcony is southeast facing, so there is abundant sun on them and plants are doing very well. This is a kind of fern. You know, this carrot fern, and this is kept under semi-shaded condition and doing fine. This one is very favorite to me, and the foliage is very beautiful. You can see this one is another two banyan plants are there in one pot. For trying to make them bonsai. And this is edible hibiscus, you know, Rosella hibiscus, nearly 4 feet tall plant. I don't know when it will be fruiting, but doing fine, growing very well. And later this one is on the top of the tool. This is a cherry plant, not very old one. This one has been grown from cutting, and this is nearly 1.5 year old but growing well. Yes, you can see this. Later this one is on the terracotta pot, a pomegranate plant. I don't know whether it will be fruiting or not, but it has been flowering so many numbers. Yes, you can see there one flower already is there. Whether it is fruiting or not, pomegranate plant looks very nice to me. Yes, this one is also on hanging plastic pot. You can see there are so many plants all together. These are the Mexican mint, growing very nice. And this is Codia purple leaves, known for its foliage color. Yes, and on the same golden pothos on the same pot, golden pothos and wandering jews, you can see them. Later I have tried a croton from cutting, and this one is also known for its foliage. Now this one is purple shower plant or Mexican petunia. This one is clematis plant, grown in plastic pot, 10-inch plastic pot. Very nice fragrant flowers on them. This one is very different one, not very common, cinnamon basil, grown from its seeds. This one is another variety of periwinkle, red in color. Yes, this is Kalmeg or Andrographis paniculata. On the bottle you can see another variety of periwinkle, also called Nayantara in local language. Another color, you can see this. And yes, these are the purple hearts. On the window I have hung them. Look so beautiful for this color. You can see this color of the leaves. Little tiny flowers also come on them. You can see, not fully bloomed. Very beautiful color. Wandering Jew hung on the top. And this one is crown of thorns or mealy flowering plant. This is also purple heart hung. And Caladium bicolor. You can see these two varieties are there. Caladium or elephant ear plant, known for their foliage. This one is also a flowering plant, but I don't know its name. Recently bought from market. Grown in a plastic pot. Purple color flowers come on them. This one is another edible hibiscus or rosella hibiscus plant. And later you can see, yes, this one is Futonia or red robin plant, known for it is used in hedges, to make hedges. You can see, so nice. I don't know another one. This one I don't know the name of this plant, but its flower is pink. This is Madhavilata or Rangoon creeper. It's another name. Local name is Madhavilata. And you can see I have tried this is custard apple plant, very little one, young one. This one is dead plant. I don't know whether it will be, how long it will survive or not. This is, Lantana camara. You know this Lantana camara, flowering shrub, comes in different colors. This one is hibiscus. I have made this from cutting very recently. Two plants are there. This one is, a kind of giant lily turf grown in the bucket, broken bucket, along with the Indian blackberry plant. You can see this blackberry plant is already 6 feet tall. This is flame lily. I have grown it in this year. It is nearly 4 feet tall and doing well, but don't know whether it will be flowering this season or not. And this is, you can see this another fruiting plant, very short sort of plant, Karunda, local name, Karunda. And this is normal green chili plant. You know this very well. Green chili plant. It is fruit, given so many fruits. This is Mogra plant or jasmine variety. This one is very favorite of me. Plumera frangipani. This has grown so nice. This is one variety is coming so many colors, but this one is pink in color. Very fragrant flower. Jet plant. I have put it on the rain pipe. Along with, you can see there, this vine is, black grapes, has been there in entire balcony. It has grown from the sink. You can see this. Okay, you can see this plant. Okay, I will move it and I will show you a look of overall view of the balcony. Yes. Then I will move to my indoor plants too. This one is the black grapes plant. Yes, you can see this entire view of the balcony. Entire view of the balcony you can see from another angle. So many. This one is Aglonema pink variety, kept inside of the room, and this one is, everybody knows it, Christmas plant. And this one is rubber plant, nearly 7 feet tall. And this is Dieffenbachia or dump cane, kept inside the room and doing very well. Baby little plant is coming out. This one is GG plant, very common for every indoor gardener. Calathea ornata, striped calathea, and this one is Song of India, a variety of Sansevieria. And this is also a snake plant or Sansevieria, another GG plant I have made from the mother plant. And this one is peace lily, flowered. This one is cardboard palm or Cycad Mexico, known for its leaves, hard leaves like cardboard. That is why its name is so. and you can see the shape of the leaves, nearly 12 or 13 pairs in the same stem. You can see latter. This is a Chinese croton plant known for its foliage, and under its leaves it is red in color. You can see this red. Latter, this one is Shefali or night blooming jasmine, fragrant flower. This very young one, and this one is holy basil. You can see this holy basil, very common in Indian climate, and this one is cinnamon basil. You can see the difference of the leaves, and these cinnamon basils are grown in a terracotta pot, and they are doing fine and flowered very nicely. And this one is a sweet tamarind plant. I have grown it from seeds. Kalanchoe plant, baby kalanchoe, and Kalanchoe hawaiiani, another kalanchoe plant. You can see the baby plants on the edges of the leaves, looks so beautifully. This one is holy basil. It grows everywhere in the Indian climate. And this one cinnamon basil. 4 o'clock plant, flowering plant. And this one variety of croton plant. I have grown it from cutting. And above this one is pigeon wing plant or Aparajita in local language. It has grown and it is fine. Yes, along with the morning glory. Touch me not or mimosa. It has, you can see this touch me not. It has flowered. Fruit and seed will come from that flower. It has grown in plastic pot. This is a jasmine plant, one variety of jasmine, very nice fragrant flower. This one is yellow variety of kanchan flower. In local language it is called kanchan. I don't know actual name, I forgot it, English name of this variety. This is ghost pepper. So many fruits are there. You can see this, very hot, very hot. I have a separate video on ghost pepper. You can see, watch this video also. This ghost pepper. Latter, this one is, you know, everyone knows it. Mulberry plant. Fruits are there, you can see. And Kalanchoe, another variety, very common variety. This one is one succulent plant. You can see this. And this is Ixora, red variety. This is neem. You know this, Azadirachta, scientific name, and neem plant. I am trying to do it another bonsai, and it has been a very in good shape there. We use it in, this is another one, periwinkle. And night, yes, this is bougainvillea, fire color. I have grown it from cutting. Another one, this one is croton, another variety from cutting. Another variety of croton. All of these have been grown from cutting. This croton is there along with another Codia purple leaves. Okay. So guys, these were the plants I have grown in my balconies. Yes, last but not the least one, this is lemongrass. It has grown 5-inch plastic pot, but doing very nice. We use it in making teas or etc. So guys, these were the plants. Oh no, this one is another one, pandan plant. These leaves are used to make the rice fragrant, or basmati or pulao rice. very common in India and Bangladesh. So have a look, overall look in this balcony. This one is second balcony. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, give a like, share and comment on it. Thank you.